What is up, guys? It's Gaming Fam here, and today we are doing a full SD swap on this iPod 5th gen. So yeah, guys, I bought this iPod 5th gen from eBay for 30 bucks. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the hard drive swap. This is a 30 gigabyte iPod Touch Classic, 30 gigabyte iPod Classic. What I have right here is you have the little converter board, and you also have I had to buy a CF adapter. I also have a 128 gigabyte micro SD card and a SD card, and this is just an adapter. You just go ahead and you slide this in here just like that, and then you slide it into the adapter just like that. All right, since we got that all together, let's go ahead and get the iPod apart. First thing you want to do, you want to grab your little spudger and your two picks, and we find the bottom and we just dig in. Alright, got it up. Now you just slide your picks in there like that. Remove this. Slide around it. There we go. Now you can start pulling away the housing, but don't pull too hard, because first you need to unplug the battery slot. You just pull that out, and then you can flip the back open just like that. All right, next step, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the hard drive and flip it like that. You'll see this little black thing right here. Zoom in a little bit. You want to go ahead, pop that up, and then you could just pull this little yellow cable out. It's a little bit tricky because it's a interesting spot to work with. All right, there we go. We got the old hard drive pulled out. Now let's go ahead and we'll put the adapter in there. So we just do the same on this one. Just like that. Push the little black flap down and just close it up. We're just gonna test it first, then we're gonna put these little rubber things on the side of it so it doesn't rattle around and stuff. Let's go ahead, plug the battery back into its little spot. Alright guys, I got the battery connected. Takes a couple seconds. It's a little bit hard. Go ahead and flip the switch. Alright, let me make sure I have the battery in there. Yeah, I have the battery connected. I'm gonna plug into power and I'll be right back. Alright guys, the next step is, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and connect your iPod up to a PC or Mac with iTunes on it. What you want to do, go ahead and pop open iTunes. There we go, you get the message. Stand. Alright, now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and press restore iPod. We'll do restore. Accept all these things. Press next, we'll press agree, and we'll go ahead. Alright, here we go. Have nothing in, there it is. Shows up 128 gigabytes of storage. Alright. Awesome. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in any of the parts shown in the video, I'll have them in the description down below. Also, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your ideas. Make sure to also go follow my Instagram. I'll have it up on my screen and down in the description below. I'll see you guys.